Yeah. Hey! Hi, I'm Mario from the Fucking Vape Boys, and today we're going to be talking about this. So this is the new Me Pod by a Me1 vape company. It is an interesting take on salt nic devices. So it's pretty cool looking if you ask me honestly. It's got very texturized designs, and you can get 15 different styles and colors if you'd like to. I personally went with the gray, the matte finish, because I think it's classy. That's just me. So let's talk about some pros and cons of this device real quick. First of all, it has all-day battery life, which is a feature that I got with the Soren that I really like. And to pair up with that, the pod is all day too. It's 2 mils, and you fill it up in the morning and it'll last you all day. It's which is very nice because it's a small on-the-go device, and you don't want to be carrying your juice with you because that makes it a little less ultra portable, I guess. Another pro of this device is the textured finish. It's very grippy. Like, I don't have to worry about it slipping out of my hands like I would with the Smock Rolo badge, which is kind of nice. And I mean, it's one of the few ultra portable devices that actually has a on-off button. And like typical vapes, it's 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, and you're good to go. Some cons about this device, however, are the pods. That's really where the biggest cons are. They spit a whole lot. Like, it's a great way to taste your juice, but I don't really want to taste it like that. Another con about this device is it's pretty loud. I mean, like, I don't know about you, but I like to stealth vape in the movie theaters, and you only gotta wait till it's really loud when the movie's going on. Those people be looking at you like, let me hit that. Another thing I don't like about it is the lanyard. Yes, it's cool and you can wear your lanyard and you have your vape hanging around your neck, but you don't want to be that guy. Don't be that guy. So who is this vape for? I'd say this is really for anyone who wants to get into salt nic, but especially those who like to trick, because it has a whole lot of airflow similar to what you would get out of a mod, and you get pretty good sized clouds out of it. It's pretty inexpensive too. It's around 30 bucks, 32. Links in the description if you want to check it out. And I would recommend getting like some menthol flavors for it, because that's really where it shines. Like with the mint, it just all day long. Thanks for watching, guys, and head on over to vaporespionage.com to find the best prices on the best devices. We don't just have salt nic there, we have everything under the sun. Take care, and see you next time.